Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this brand new series on machine learning and artificial intelligence. I'm really excited to start this journey with you because what we are about to explore is not just a technology, it is something that is literally reshaping our world. If we look around us today, especially here in 2026, we can clearly see that we are living in the age of intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence is no longer something futuristic, it is everywhere. It is present in healthcare, where AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In finance, AI systems are making trading choices, identifying fraud, and managing risk. In education, AI tutors are now capable of guiding students personally. In transportation, self driving technologies are becoming more reliable every year. And in the IT world, AI agents are starting to automate tasks that once required human intelligence. But the biggest impact of AI is not just in industries, it is in our daily lives. Today, AI can write our emails, it can recommend what we want to watch, it also answers our questions, and then most importantly, AI is starting to make decisions for us. And this brings us to a very important question. We use AI every single day, but do we actually understand how it works? How does an AI system learn? How does it make a choice? And how does it reason? And how does it sometimes make mistakes? Because here is the reality, using AI is very different from understanding AI. And this gap is the reason why this series exists. So, in this journey, we are not just going to learn how to use AI tools, we're going to understand how intelligence itself can be engineered, and that is where our journey begins. If AI is becoming such a powerful force in our world, there is an important question we need to ask. How are people actually learning AI today? Because the reality is, there is a big illusion in the way AI is being learned right now. Most people believe that learning AI simply means learning tools. They focus on libraries, they focus on frameworks, they focus on APIs, and they follow step by step tutorials to build project. And yes, those projects work. You run the code, you get the output, everything looks perfect. But here is the real problem. If someone asks, why does this model work? Or how is it learning? Or what is happening inside the algorithm? Most people cannot answer because they have learned to run AI, but not how to understand AI. And this creates serious consequences. Over time, their fundamentals remain weak. They cannot explain models clearly. They struggle when they face real world problems, and many people get trapped in what we call the tutorial loop. They keep following tutorials, but they never truly develop deep understanding. And this brings us to a very important realization. Learning AI is not just about coding. It is not just about running algorithms because AI at its core is about intelligence itself. And if we truly want to understand artificial intelligence, we first need to understand what intelligence actually means. And this is exactly where our journey will go next. So far, we've seen how people often learn AI by following tutorials, running codes, and building projects. But there is a deeper truth we need to understand. Artificial intelligence is not just coding, it is not just building models, it is not just collecting data. These are tools, not intelligence itself. At its core, AI is something far bigger. Yes, AI is really engineering intelligence. And what does that mean? It means creating systems that can think, learn, and make choices much like a human mind does, but in a way that machines can execute. AI systems are built to reason logically. They learn from experiences, they make choices, they recognize patterns, and they adapt when environment change. But to build this kind of intelligence, there is more than just code. It requires mathematics, algorithms, data, optimization, and probability theory. And this is exactly why most tutorials fail. They teach the what, but not the how of thinking. Because the true magic of AI lies in understanding how machines think, not just what they can do. And once we understand this, we can finally start to learn AI the way it was meant to be learned. Now that we understand what artificial intelligence really is, it's important to ask another question. Why should we learn AI the right way in 2026 of all years? The answer lies in the rapid evolution of AI and the way it is shaping industries, economics, and our daily lives. AI is no longer a niche technology. In 2026, AI is everywhere. We now have autonomous agent making complex choices for us. AI systems can analyze enormous datasets, predict outcomes, and make strategic choices faster than any human. From healthcare to finance to education to transportation, AI is embedded into every major industry. And with this rise comes a growing ethical and legal responsibility. AI choices affects people's lives, businesses, and society as a whole. And here's the crucial part. Company todays are no longer just looking for people who can run a model or call an API. They want AI thinkers, engineers who understand the intelligence behind the algorithms. They want problem solvers who can analyze a real world problem, design the right AI solution, and reason about its outputs. And they want engineers who have strong fundamentals, who understand not just the what, but the why and how of the intelligent systems. But here's the reality. Most AI learners today are stuck in a loop. They know the tools, they can copy code from tutorials, they can run model and get results, but they lack deep reasoning. They cannot explain why a model behaves a certain way. And when faced with a real world challenge, they struggle to apply what they know effectively. And this is exactly why 2026 is the perfect year for you to level up. The gap between the industry needs and what most learners have is wide, but that is also an opportunity. So if you choose to learn AI properly now, by understanding the logic, the mathematics, the reasoning, and the real engineering behind intelligent systems, you are positioning yourself far ahead of the curve. This is your chance to go beyond just using AI to actually thinking like an AI engineer, someone who can create, understand, and innovate with intelligence itself. And this is exactly what this series is going to do. Not just teaching tools, not just copying code, not just showing output, but teaching how AI thinks, why it works, and how to use it responsibly and effectively in the real world. So 2026 is the year of opportunity for you, and this is the series that will guide you to truly understand AI from fundamentals to real world applications. So now that we've seen why 2026 is the perfect time to learn AI the right way, the next question is what exactly will you learn in this series? So let me take you through the full roadmap step by step so you know exactly where this journey will take you. We'll start at the very beginning. We'll explore the foundation of intelligence, learning how machines actually think. We'll understand logic, reasoning, and core AI concept and see what makes an intelligent system intelligent. This stage is crucial because without a strong foundation, all the tools and algorithms in the world won't make sense. Once the foundation is clear, we'll then move to data and engineering. Here, you'll learn to how to explore dataset, engineer man engineer meaningful features and handle imbalanced dataset. We'll go beyond theory. I'll show you how to build real world pipelines just like engineers do in industry so you can turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Next, we'll dive into mathematics that powers AI. We'll cover everything from linear algebra and singular value decomposition to gradient descent and Jacobian Hessian matrix. You'll understand probability, Bayesian inference, maximum likelihood estimation, and more. This is where the why behind the AI becomes clear, not just the how. After the math, we step into supervised learning, the backbone of many AI systems. We'll learn linear, logistic, and polynomial regression, then move to SVMs, KNN, and ensemble methods. And we won't stop at building models. We'll also learn how to evaluate and interpret them, understand metrics, and identify bias or overfitting in a real system. Next, we'll explore Unsupervised learning, where AI finds pattern without explicit guidance. We'll cover clustering algorithms like k-means and db-scan, association rules with a priori and FP growth, and graphical models like Bayesian and hidden macro models. This stage will teach you how AI can reason under author. This stage will teach you how AI can reason under uncertainty and extract intelligence from complex data. Then we will move to neural networks, which is the heart of modern AI. We'll start with perceptrons, multi-layer perceptrons, explore activation functions, and then understand the backpropagation principle. We'll also tackle challenges like vanishing and exploding gradients and learn advanced techniques like regularization, dropout, and batch normalization. This stage will make AI feel almost alive because you'll get to understand how neural networks learn to recognize patterns and make choices. And finally, we'll explore ethics, policy, and governance. We'll learn how to identify and mitigate algorithmic bias, understand global regulations like GDPR and AI Act, and explore everything privacy preserving machine learning techniques. Because in 2026, being a skilled AI engineer isn't enough. You also need to build AI responsibly. And by the end of this series, you won't just be someone who runs models or copies tutorials. You'll become someone who truly understands intelligence, how it is engineered, and how it can be applied safely and effectively. From foundations to data, math to neural network, and responsible AI governance, this journey is built to transform you into a complete AI thinker, ready to tackle real world problems and innovate with intelligence itself. Now that you have an overview of what this series is going to teach you, it's important to ask, is this series for you or not? The truth is, this series is built for anyone who wants to truly understand artificial intelligence, not just run it like a tool. Let's break it down. First, students and learners. If you are studying AI, data science, or computer engineering, or computer science as a whole, this series will give you a strong foundation. So you don't just memorize algorithms, you'll actually understand them. Next, developers and engineers. If you're already building software, this series will teach you how to apply AI in real world scenarios, build intelligent systems, and solve problems with confidence. For researchers and academics, this series offers deep understanding of the principles behind AI, from logic to mathematics to probabilistic reasoning, so you can innovate and contribute to cutting edge research. If you are a career switcher, this series will help you become industry ready. You learn the skills that companies actually want, not just theoretical knowledge, but applied intelligence that works in real world. And finally, for curious minds, anyone who is simply fascinated by how intelligence works, this series is your chance to explore, experiment, and understand intelligence itself. So, whether you are a student, developer, researcher, career switcher, or you're just curious, if you want to truly understand AI and not just use it, this series can be for you. Because the goal of this series is to take you from being a user of AI to someone who can think, reason, and innovate with AI. And if that excites you, then you are in the right place and your journey starts here. And now, as we reach the end of this introduction, here's the most important thing to remember. Your journey in AI doesn't have to start with copying code or running tutorials. It starts with understanding, with curiosity, and with the mindset of thinking like an AI engineer. In this series, you will be building real understanding, not just projects. You learn to think like an AI engineer, reason through problems the way intelligent systems do. You'll gain the skills to solve real world problems, not just the theoretical exercises. And most importantly, you'll position yourself ahead of this AI wave currently in 2026, ready for the opportunities and challenges that this year and the years ahead will bring. So here's my invitation to you. Follow the series, start your AI journey today. Don't just watch AI being run. Understand it, question it, and master it. Because the difference between using AI and truly understanding AI is the difference between being a spectator and being a creator. And in this series, I want you to be a creator. So your journey starts now. Are you ready to take the next step or not?